Hello guys, welcome to the Triune Physics aka PhysicsBible. An external force of magnitude 100 Newton acts on a particle of mass 0.15 kilogram for 0.03 second. Calculate the change in the speed. Okay? Our triune components from this equation include the force, the mass, and the time. Is that clear? So solution given datas include number one, let's look at it. We have our force 100 Newton. Let's capture that. That is the first of the triune components. So F is equal to 100 Newton. Then our mass is given. The second of the triune component, M is equal to 0.15 kilogram. Okay. Then the third is the time, which is 0.03 second. Is that clear? So we are to find or calculate for the change in the speed. Okay? So it means the change in velocity is equal to unknown. So quickly, let's solve this. For us to be able to solve this, recall that we need a particular formula that will suit the given parameters. Okay? And this question is under linear momentum. From F is equal to ma, our a is equal to change in velocity over time. So F is equal to mass multiplied by change in velocity over time. Then if we make change in velocity to solve a formula, we have change in v is equal to ft divided by m. Is that clear? So change in velocity is equal to 100 multiplied by 0.03 divided by 0.15. Okay, this will equal 100 multiplied by 0.03 will give us 3 divided by 0.15. Okay, then this will equal what? 3 divided by 0.15 will give us our final answer to be 20 meters per second. Is this clear to you? Connect to our social media handles at PhysicsBible, the Triune Physics, for latest update. Thanks for joining us. Stay equipped, stay liquid.